Hello everyone! Today we are going to showcase services using the native WordPress Gutenberg functionality. Here we go now. We're on a new page with a simple block above, and we have a services section heading here. What we do next is we add a columns block. We'll need more than 2 columns today, so use the columns count to create 3 of them. Then let's make the block full width. Alright, I add an image block to the column and choose an image from the media library. I need to make it larger, so I drag the bottom handle down and make it the size I need. Also, I choose the Align Center option. The same I do for the rest of the columns, just picking different images to use. Now returning to the first column, let's add a heading to it. Don't forget to check its markup and alignment. Let's also use a nice bright blue text color. We add some more text here below the heading and play around with its settings. What's more important, you can work element by element, or you can use the reusable blocks for this purpose. It depends on the number of elements you have to change after you make the column a reusable element. Here I prefer to work without reusable blocks. I have only 3 columns here, and it will be enough for showcasing services in this case. Now returning to the first column, let's place a button and add some text into it. Then you'll be able to link it to a certain page. I change its alignment and make it bright red. I repeat the same actions for the 2 columns on the right. Here we go to the front end. My blocks look nice, but I still have to set a boxed alignment to make them complement the section above. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoy working with Gutenberg as much as we do, and wait for more videos to come out. Cheers!